Good morning, guys. Today we're making some sausage and cheese quiche. This is so perfect for breakfast or even at brunch time. So now I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour into my mixing bowl. As you can see, I'm sifting it. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of vegetable shortening. I'm also going to add 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. And at this time, you want to use the fingertip method to combine the ingredients together. It should look like breadcrumb when finished mixing together, just like this. Now make a well in the middle of the mixture, then add some ice cold water, a little at a time to form a ball. You do not want to knead the mixture, guys. Just squeeze the mixture together into your hand and make sure you squeeze it so that you get all the dry ingredients folded up and it's not loosey in there anymore. It's all well combined. You can see there's no mixture left on my hand. That's how you know you have a good dough. So at this time, you can use a piece of aluminum foil to wrap the dough, or you can also use a piece of cling wrap, and then you want to place this mixture right into the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Now let's grate some white cheddar cheese. I'm using the box grater and I'm using the coarser side of the grater to grate the cheese, and it looks like this. Now after 30 minutes, I'm going to lightly flour my work surface and roll my dough out. Guys, it all depends on how thick you want your pie crust, okay? I roll mine thin enough, just the way I like it. Once I roll it like this, I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of flour into my pie dish and place the dough into the dish. Press the dough firmly into the dish. And once this is all done, I'm just going to remove the excess pieces from over the top using a knife. Simple and easy to do, guys. Once this is done, I'm going to just press the top just to make sure that the dough holds to the dish. Now I have 4 eggs with a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and I'm going to add 3/4 cup of evaporated milk into this mixture. Add 1/2 cup of whole milk. Give it a nice little whisk, set it aside. Now add some grated cheese into the pie dish with the dough. Add some broccoli, some red onions, some smoked sausage. You can use some bacon, you can use anything, or you can leave out the sausage. I also add some red bell pepper, some more grated cheese. Then I'm going to pour the mixture into the pan along with the remaining sausage and pepper. Add some parsley and some more cheese. Then place into the oven to bake for 20 minutes. 350 degrees, guys. Yes, and once it's done, leave it to cool completely before cutting. And this is my sausage and cheese quiche ready to be devoured by me, guys. So give it a try, enjoy, and may your day be as warm like my quiche.